plastic containers, etc. which after use, some people throw it into our beautiful nature, which creates plastic pollution. So we all have to stop using plastic things to make our beautiful nature tidy. With this note, I would like to give my heartiest welcome to our beloved principal ma'am, headmistress ma'am, beloved teachers and my dear friends. I am Laya Joseph of class 5C and I am going to help conduct this morning assembly program. Our pledge is a way to show love and respect for our nation. So I request Kiran Karthik to come forward and start the pledge.
School, start the
And treat everyone with courtesy. I shall be kind to plants and animals. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
school, Vishram.
Thank you, Kiran. Every morning brings us new thoughts. So I call upon Akshata to listen for today's thought. Thought for the day is reuse. When you refuse to reuse the earth, you abuse. Can I repeat my thought? When you refuse to reuse the earth, you abuse. Thank you. Thank you, Akshata, for brightening our morning. For updating us with the news, here come news reporters Saujanya and Sanjana Shri. The news brought to you by Sanjana Shri and Saujanya. National news. The CBSE declared record for class 10 and 12 on Friday. 98.97 pass in CBSE class 10 board exam. 97.85 pass in CBSE class 12 examination. 1 vote for Tamil Nadu in presidential post. Extra education for begins today is Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai and Tiruchi. International news. Mysterious thing glow in sky over Australian town. Netizens attributed it to unusual factors. NASA's James Webb Telescope may have found most distant non-galaxy. Glass is a 13. The galaxy dates back to 300 million years after the Big Bang. Sri Dinesh Gunawardena took oath as Sri Lanka's 15th Prime Minister. Open our brain with a new word. So I call Linesha to teach us a new word. My name is Linesha and today's new word is recycle. Recycle. Convert waste into reusable material. Thank you. Plastic is used everywhere nowadays. People use it endlessly just for their comfort. However, no one realizes how it harms our planet. We need to become aware of the consequences so that we can stop plastic pollution. So I call Bala, M. Karanesh and my other friends to advise us on making our Mother Earth tidy. Good morning everyone. Principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Bala. I am Karanesh. Today we both are going to do special item. The topic is say no to plastic. Now we are going to say some slogans. Handle with care. Plastic is everywhere. Plastic is like a knife which harms our life. No plastic is fantastic. Plastic give a helpful hand, but they are polluting our environment. Reduce, refuse, reuse and recycle plastic bags. Use paper bags. Reduce plastic bags. Laminate your documents, not the earth. Leave behind smiles, not harmful trash. If you cannot recycle or reuse, then quickly refuse. No plastic is fantastic. Don't use single-use bags. Thank you. I hope you all found our morning assembly program interesting.